September 1st, 2026. Right now our process is a $3 million project. We're at $3 million to complete this project. Right now we're at $2 million. Right now we're at $2 million. We've had a gracious donation by Dale and Julie Burghardt with $1 million. The district has started the first $1 million to get up to the district, please. Thank you, school district. Thank you, school board, for your generous contribution to that. And then I had an unnamed donor donate just about a month and a half ago, $100,000. We're going to make this happen $1 million easier. I want you to think about this, what this is going to look like. This is going to change this community big time. It's going to change obviously high school sports as well as our youth programs.
So I've been here, like I said, my whole life. I played football in school when I was a little kid. We actually, the last time this got resurfaced, this track was like for my junior year of high school. And I can't even just describe to you like what it felt like to come out on that brand new track the first time and have white sparkling sand. And I remember when this was not here and it was wood moldy bleachers from literally a gravel pit. And that was the home side. It's grown and it continues to grow.